Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, we have this really fun nail set that I'll be creating using these BTartBox nails. If you guys would like to see how we did this set today, then please continue to watch. BTartBox was kind enough to send me over these nail tips that I selected, as well as some of their French tip toe extensions. I really leaned in towards these because they're so vibrant and colorful. I was like, this is perfect for the summertime. It's really pretty. You can do all nails one color, or you can opt to do each finger a different color, which is really nice. I love the smile lines on the French tip, so this was right up my alley. And then here are the X-Coat tip French tip toe tips. That is a tongue twister, but I currently have these on my toes now and they look so good. It literally looks like I went to a salon, so I finally took off the ombre and I decided to go for these. In this package, they also sent me over their trio, which is going to be the builder gel, the extend gel, and top coat. They also sent me over a new product, which is their gap-filled solid nail glue. This stuff looked really interesting, and I've been wanting to go for a solid gel glue in a jar, so I'm going to actually use this for today's video. This is what the solid glue looks like inside of the jar. It's very crystal clear, which is really nice. Let's go ahead and proceed with our nail prep. I'm just using a little buffing block I have here, and I'm just going to removing all shine from my natural nails. Now I'm just going in and sizing out the nail tips. The good thing about using one color from each row is that you'll still have so much to work with and get way more sets out of these nail tips. Once all of them are sized out, I'm going to go in with my solid glue. And you guys know that I typically work with gloves. It's because you don't want to have a lot of direct contact with gel products like that, especially to like your fingertips. So what I'm doing first is applying that glue, and you see, instead of me using my finger to press it down, I'm just using the cuticle pusher that I have, and then I'm going in and applying that directly to the nail as I would using my regular liquid extend gel. Now again, I could use my hand that I have the glove on, but I was already kind of working with it using the cuticle pusher. The good thing is I'm able to press the nail down and look where there's any product that may have oozed out. Then I go in to remove that with the opposite end of the cuticle pusher before curing it under the lamp. This is what the first nail is looking like, and now we can go ahead and repeat the same process for the rest of my nail tips. Alright, and this is what the nails are looking like. I'm loving these colors so much, and I could have stopped here, but I wanted to add a little bit more. So I'm just taking that file that came in this nail set, and I'm removing that little piece on the very tip of the nail from removing it off of the sheets. Now that we're done filing and shaping the nail tips to our liking, I'm going in with a thin layer of the builder gel just to reinforce the design. Go ahead and cure the nails for 60 seconds. Now here is where I was kind of going back and forth if I wanted to add anything additional to the nails, and I remember I had these really cute acrylic butterflies from Amazon that I ordered, and there's quite a few colors that would match the nail set perfectly, so instead of doing each finger I decided to do 3. I'm going in with my Born Pretty rhinestone glue, and before applying any of the rhinestones, I'm just going to go ahead and fully top coat all of the nails. Once all of the nails are top coated, I'm just going to go ahead and cure those in my big lamp for 60 seconds. This is where our rhinestone glue comes into play, and I'm just applying a small bead of that on the nails that I will be applying the bows to. And then I'm going to go ahead and place down the bow, making sure it's exactly where I want it, and using my lamp from BTartBox to cure that in place. And then of course I'm repeating that on the other two nails that I'm also applying the bows to. And this is going to be the final look of today's nail set. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I feel like this is a very quick and easy nail set that anyone can just achieve at home and recreate. If you guys have anything specific that you would love to see next time, be sure to comment it down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao.